Nothing beats traditional desserts like a chocolate chip cookie. Today I'm going to make your job much easier. Let's make skillet chocolate chip cookies. We're going to begin with 1/3 cup of butter. This is soft salted butter. In case you're using unsalted butter, please use an extra pinch of salt to balance all the flavors out. 1/2 cup of caster sugar. You could also use brown sugar here. I'm going to mix this. To this I'm adding 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This will make your cookies nice and chewy. We're adding baking soda as a raising agent. This is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to mix this with the spatula. This is such an easy dough and comes together in no time at all. If you want to make this gourmet, you can actually burn the butter on the skillet and use brown butter to make the cookies. It gives it a nice and nutty taste. These are actually chocolate buttons, but you can use chocolate chips or chopped up chocolate as you like. It's very crumbly. So to bring it together, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of water. You can also use milk here. And if you want to be a little extra, you can just add a shot of espresso instead. Time to set our cookie dough into the skillet. This is a pre-seasoned skillet. Adding the entire dough. Using my spatula, I'm just going to spread it around. This should be a thick layer, but not too thick. If it's too thick, it won't cook through the middle. Make sure the cookie dough is evenly spread so that it cooks evenly from all sides. Now we're going to top it off with more chocolate chips. You could also use any nuts of your choice here. Gently press the chocolate buttons into the dough. Bake at 165 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the top of the cookie will turn golden brown, and that's how you will know that it is ready. This cookie is meant to be gooey from inside and crunchy from the outside. The best way to serve this cookie is with a dollop of vanilla ice cream. If you too love cookies, definitely give this recipe a try. I'm Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.